We want to find the value of dy dx at the point 3, 9 on the curve y is 2x minus 3 squared. Let's start with y is 2x minus 3 squared. Differentiating using the chain rule, dy dx is going to be differentiate the bracket, treating the bracket just as if it's an x. So this is the differential of the outside function, and then multiply that by the differential of the inside function. This gives us 4 times 2x minus 3. And at this point, x is equal to 3. So we substitute in when x is equal to 3, dy dx will be equal to 4 times 2 times 3 minus 3. This is 4 times 3, which is 12.